Okay, are you searching for a way to monitor a mobile phone? Are you trying to keep your children and loved ones safe, or even monitor your employees? Then the new updated Highster mobile app does exactly that, and right now you can get it at an all-time low discounted price. So go ahead and click on the link on this video to download Highster Mobile today. Now here's why you need to check out Highster Mobile and start using this cell phone monitoring app. Now Highster Mobile retrieves all the data from a cell phone and then uploads it to a secure online account. It's super easy to install on any cell phone you need to monitor. You can monitor all the texts, all the calls, videos, pictures, GPS location, and all social media. Now you can check every text message, monitor all the phone calls, view all the videos and all the photos, see and track the exact GPS location, and much more. And only you can view all the data exactly as it appears on the monitored device, even if it has been deleted. You can access the data from your cell phone, your tablet or PC anytime you want. Viewing an account is always portable. So after buying Highster Mobile at the discounted price, you'll receive your confirmation email with your download link, username, password and your license key. Plus, if you need any help, Highster Mobile has a support team ready to assist. So if you want to keep your family and loved ones safe, then what are you waiting for? Click on the link right now and start monitoring any mobile device today.